Hiya, you alright? Looking back at Speed Champions today. I like these kits, quick and easy, and they're really solid little cars. They tend to be associated with different makes as the kits come out, and this one was Porsche 2018 kit, this one 75 888 Porsche 911 RSR and the Porsche 911 Turbo 3.0, which was the green one. Yeah, nice kit. Let's have a look what you got in the box. Obviously these ones, you got two cars. Number one, the 911 RSR. Great looking car, this one, and it's got a fantastic double wing which has got a bit of articulation on it. Some of the wings on these Speed Champions, they're a bit flaky and they can just ping off quite easily. Obviously these are the older ones. The newer Speed Champions are a lot bigger. There's more scope for smoother aerodynamics and a little bit more solid. So these tend to be a bit more blocky. But I think this is a really good looking one. That's the Porsche 911 RSR. Good bit of stickers, but I think they add to the kit, and a lot of racing cars obviously have a lot of racing stickers. And the other one, 911 Turbo. Anybody that's doing Lego at the moment, 2021, might recognise this colour. On a slightly bigger car now, the Lamborghini Sian. This one's a little bit more blocky, but typical Porsche styling on the rear of the car there, how it curves round. You can still see that today, and the protruding headlights, which was a feature on older cars. Just a static wing on this one. Side by side, two nice little models. Some of these kits you get a bit extra, and this one's likewise. You get a bit of trackside, and this little lap counter at the top that can manually turn round. Lap 2, lap 3, lap 4, and your little flag. And that runs alongside your little pit crew man, who has a pit board there, and he's got both the cars on it, your 911 RSR and your Turbo 3, and depending on how they're doing in the race, you know, the Turbo's winning there, but if he has a bad lap, you can just turn that around, and he's now in second place. So, you know, nice little touch. And then the two regular drivers, quite plain, but you can see who's going in which car. Bob here is going in the Turbo. But yeah, two nice additions. I like Speed Champions, you know, they're good to display side by side, and there's a lot of kits. I think there's, well, there must be nigh on 25-30 kits by now, but yeah, 75 888, two Porsches there, 911 RSR, 911 Turbo 3.0. Okay, see you next time for some more Speed Champions. See ya. Alright, welcome to old Charlie's Lego. Magic!